Next up is our contributor Matt Singer describing exactly what can be done with one of those iPhones.
Introduced only 4 years ago, the iPhone is already a major part of modern life. We see them everywhere, and they take great snapshots and personal videos. But could you use an iPhone to shoot an entire movie?
A major South Korean director thinks so. In fact, he has. Park Chan-wook's Night Fishing is an eerie, atmospheric journey into the afterlife, and the whole thing was shot on an iPhone.
Park's a well-established filmmaker. Among his credits is the great thriller Old Boy. So the question then becomes, why, if you could shoot a film on something that looks like that, would you willingly use one of these? In Park's case, the answer is simple. A Korean cell phone company gave him $130,000 to promote the iPhone by using it to make a movie. But while Park may be the world's first professional iPhone filmmaker, more and more directors are making movies with equipment you could buy at your local electronics store.
Mark Neveldine and Brian Taylor used off-the-shelf high-def camcorders to give their 2009 film Crank High Voltage the raw, frenetic energy of an underground skate video. Director Lena Dunham shot her film Tiny Furniture on the Canon EOS 7D, a still camera that retails for around $1,500. That small camera was ideal for shooting in the film's cramped New York locations. Its crisp, bright images helped win the film an Independent Spirit Award nomination for Best Cinematography.
Night Fishing doesn't have a US distributor or release date yet, but I suspect it'll be coming to theaters, or at least to the iPhone, in the near future. Before you go quitting your day job to become a full-time iPhone filmmaker, though, you should know that Park Chan-wook still needed $130,000 worth of professional lighting equipment to make Night Fishing look so good. He probably also sprung for a tripod, too. Still, there are some advantages to shooting on an iPhone. Maybe the biggest one of all is the fact that no matter where you... Hang on a second. Hello? Uh-huh. No, what's up? I'm not doing anything. All right, maybe there are some disadvantages to shooting on an iPhone. Yeah, what's up? Uh-huh.
That was impressive. I have a Droid. I take photos of my kid on my Droid and text, and that's about it. So to be able to make an entire movie on an iPhone, I am wowed.
I'm impressed by the fact that you can take a picture with your phone. All mine does is just make calls.